because the ice was there to balance and to keep the gas under control. But now if the ice melts and the sea warm, then the gas will be released into the atmosphere. And it does already, according to scientists' research and proved. Originally, I already told you, and not for outsider because I don't know how people think. But after I know that the scientists also told like that, that's why we openly release that news. So the gas that released into the atmosphere might affect you. Maybe it's being that the Sierra is surrounded by water, huh? And you see, if it's not cold, and even all the permafrost, which is the cold, hard mud layers, will be melted also. And then the gas from the permafrost also will be released. And that's the reason maybe you feel more tired. And some places may have more mental illness and all kind of other illnesses. And diseases goes where they have not been before even. You know, like mosquitoes, they migrate into different area where they have not been before because the climate is warmer.
Yes, Master.
So within 2 years and some months, it depends on how many people join the vegetarian diet. The more vegetarian people, the less killing of the animals, the more time we have to rescue the planet and the lives on the planet. So originally it was shorter, but then because of our television and our flyers, you know, alternative living flyer SOS and advertisement all over on all the newspapers and wherever we can, and other vegetarian group and environmental group, they're working hard also to spread the news. So many more number of people join the vegetarian diet. That's why we have lessened the karma of the bad retribution, so we have earned some more time. As I told the survey center last time, that we have gained 7 months. So we gained 3 more months now since last time. So that means we have like 2 years and 6 months, more or less. 2 years and 6 months to change the global warming, to stop it, or to halt it the way it is. But it's getting warmer already, so even if we have more time, it's not that ideal. So within these 2 years and 6 months now, everybody have to join into the vegetarian diet and stop the killing, stop the harm to other people and the animals, and save energies every way possible and go green wherever possible. Then we still can save the planet. But not like after 2 years the planet will be completely destroyed, not yet. It take a little more time. But it will begin descending, and we will not be able to stop then.
Hello, Master.
Hello.
This is Jane. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you, Jane?
Thank you. I guess my question is related to what you just explained to us. You must know that we all have been feeling a little bit weighed down by this global warming issue and the urgency of it. And we also feel very hopeful that we keep gaining time, and we love to hear that.
Yeah.
And my question is, just want to, I guess, get some reassurance from you to ask you how hopeful you feel about our future, or if you can share with us what you see in the future, whether it's affirmative, positive, and also can we reach our goal, whether it's 50% of the population, 2/3, how you feel about it. Thank you, Master.
Okay. Not 50% anymore, I told you, because the global is already get warmer than before. Yeah, and the bad karma is worse. So right now I have to be 2/3 of the population minimum, okay? 50% that was a long time ago when I told you last, okay?
Yes.
Yeah. So anyway, I told you I'm not a psychic, huh? And also, it's not like you can see too far in the future, yeah? a couple of years or 4 or 5 years, because it depends on the human's condition, yeah. Maybe we still can save the planet. We still have hope though, yeah, okay? Only if they listen. The thing is, we have to spread the news. Everyone else who care about the planet must spread the news. Then people will join us.
My next question is, there's this theory about critical mass, that if we reach it, and then the movement will kind of self-propel itself. And I wonder if how far we are to reach this critical mass point, or have we reached it yet?
Okay. Well, no, we haven't. I'm sorry. We haven't. But maybe we will reach it soon.
Good. Thank you, Master.
Within half a year, maybe. If we work hard, if everyone else work hard, if the government help, if the media helps, if all the organization really diligent in working about this, spreading the urgency and spreading the vegetarian solution to help sustain the planet, then maybe we can make it in half a year.
That's good to hear, Master. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah. Just, to reach that critical mass.
Yes.
Not to completely change the whole planet yet, yeah? But we're working at it. We keep working, okay?
Yes, thank you, Master.
All we can do is just keep working at it. Right.
Yes.
I have 4 questions, Master. My first question is, as disciples, what are the most important things that we can do to help curb climate change?
I have told you, have to continue intensive meditation whenever you can. Pray, yeah, and distribute the flyers. Spread the news.
Yes, Master. My next question is, at this particular time, should we as disciples be focusing more on meditating as much as possible, or meditating enough and then pouring the rest of our time into projects such as Supreme Master TV or vegetarianism? Yes,
that's correct. If you can, do whatever you can, yeah? If you can sustain yourself that way, it's fine, okay? But of course we all have to work to earn money, at the same time.
Yes, Master.
All right.
Thank you, Master.
Okay, Supreme Master TV is for the mass, yeah? That's for the public, so that they know what's going on. And that's a very powerful tool that we're using. But meditation you must, so to reinforce your power behind it, yeah?
Yes, Master.
So that whatever you do has power. Yeah, and also to help yourself. You have to elevate yourself.
Okay,
That's very important to meditate for yourself. And also for your loved ones and for the planet as well. Everything helps.
In the recent Formosa teleconference, you mentioned that we have approximately 2 years and 4 months left to save the planet. What specific marks do we have to hit in order to achieve these goals? For example, 2/3 of the population become vegetarian, or 80% reduction in greenhouse gases?
Well, as I told you already, we have to continue meditation and praying and distributing the SOS flyers and advertise on the newspapers or television, radio, wherever we can. Just spread the news of the urgencies, because some people don't really know it. I'm surprised, but they don't. And hope, pray for the best, okay?
Okay, Master. You mentioned that other planets have faced global warming crisis, the same as ours. For the planets that were able to halt global warming, what in particular did they do?
The same, like what I'm telling you. Return to the original loving and virtuous self. Yeah? Go veg, go green, and pray. Meditate.
Thank you, Master.
You're welcome.
We thank you for your presence for today's Between Master and Disciples. Tune in next Saturday for part 2 of Supreme Master Ching Hai's discussion, Spreading the Vegetarian Solution. Animal World, Our Co-Inhabitants is up next, right after noteworthy news here on Supreme Master Television. May the providence guide us in wisdom and love.